Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you just a simple way to make a braided wig. You must have come across this on my channel on how to make a braided wig, or probably you are just seeing it for the first time on my channel. Or in this tutorial I'm going to give you a detailed and simple tutorial on how to make a braided wig, especially if you are a beginner. So stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, the first thing, after you must have put your wig cap on the manicure head, you're gonna use a pointer or anything just to give a mark on where you're going to be braiding. And while doing that, you're going to space out and not too close or not too wide. Just a kind of know how you are doing it, like I'm doing my own now. Once I'm done with the step, this is how it looks. I'm going to use this extension and I'm going to cut it into 4. I'm doing cutting 4 because I want to use the cutting 4 at the back. If you want to do a longer braid, it all depends on you. So after that, I'm going to just stretch it and do a fish stretch on this. Once I'm done with the fish stretch, I'm gonna apply hair cream to the hair extension to make it more shiny. The next thing is to take a small portion of the hair and use a crochet pin to pick the hair. Use the crochet hook, put it in the place that you have pointed and pick the tiny hair, just like this. After you have crocheted the tiny hair into the wig cap, then use the normal braid that you want to braid the hair with and start braiding the hair. Alright, I'm gonna leave you to keep watching to see how this wig is going to look like and some of the things I'm going to do to this wig in order to achieve fine braided wig. So keep watching. The next step, I'm going to use this 4x4 Swiss lace net for this braided wig, and I've already ventilated it and this is how it looks. If you want to know how to do this, there's so many videos on this channel, so click and see how to ventilate a crochet for braided wig, outline method or without outline method. I'm gonna also leave link in the description box to make it easier for you. Now pin the ventilated closure on the wig cap and sew it round. Next, cut out the wig cap that covered the neck, either before braiding or after braiding. Once I'm done cutting out, I'm gonna put it back. Now guys, this is how it looks like. This is an outline method of ventilating a closure that I did in this method. Then next, braid your closure and make sure that when you're braiding your closure, everything looks closely packed so that the closure part will cover all the back, all the spaces left out, the closure part will cover it. Now is the final look of this. This is closure part and this is how it looks. Next thing you shouldn't miss out is to trim out the hair, the excess hair that was left when you braided the hair. So trim it out. After that, pour hot water to the hair to make the braid relax and shrink, look finer. Now the next thing is to cut out the ends of the braids. Cut it out to make it look equal and even, if that sounds okay. So guys, this is the final look of this braided wig. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about this wig. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family and for more amazing content. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.